Would you like to know how to save hours and hours of your time writing blogs faster and make much, much more money in the process?
Well, that's exactly what we're going to show you in this very video.
Now, this might be a little bit scary at first, but bear with us, and by the end of this video, you will love us forever. Promise.
Or at least one of us. Hello, we are Andrew and Pete from Andrew and Pete TV, and we are here on the Rev channel today to show you how you can write blogs and scripts faster than ever before.
And not just by typing faster either.
No, that would be a terrible
That would be
tip.
rubbish.
Now, this may sound a little bit weird, but actually, the secret to writing faster is to actually not write at all.
What? So I don't know about you, but I can talk much faster than I can type. So here's what we want you to do. Step number 1 for writing your blog now is do your research, write some bullet points about notes, take some stats down as normal, like you normally would. But then, boom, step 2, different. What's step 2?
Step 2 is to, rather than write your blog, download the Rev transcription app. Here it is. It is super, super cool. And what you're going to do is, rather than write it, you're going to hit record and you're going to record yourself speaking out your blog. Now, you don't have to do this all in one go. You can actually pause and start recording again the audio at multiple times as you're talking through each different point. And when you've done that, you just tap save, you give it a name, a sensible name. Maybe the name of your blog would be a great idea. And you can even listen back to it at this point. You can add more onto the end if you want. It's awesome. Go check it out.
And it's awesome because step 3, you can send this bad boy right off to rev.com for transcriptions. The cool thing about this app is that rather than sending the file to your computer, downloading it, and then uploading it again to rev.com for transcriptions, all you have to do is just send it right to rev.com from the app in just a few taps, saving you loads and loads of time.
So cool.
So cool.
Within 12 hours, usually much less in our experience, they will have the full transcript wrote up by an actual person and sent back to you. And this only costs $1 per minute of audio.
Wow. Now, the average 1,000 word blog takes roughly 3.5 hours to write. But doing it this way, you could maybe record for like 25 minutes, plus a little bit of editing and formatting time once you got the transcript back. Maybe an hour in total.
Now, I don't know about you, Pete, but I would rather pay a few quid or dollars, as you say over the pond.
That was so British of you.
To save 2.5 hours of time. Jolly good.
Spiffing.
Because what would you do if you had an extra 2 hours every single week? Would you sell more products? Would you sell more services? Would you go to the pub? Any of those sound great.
We should go for some tea and scones with our extra time. You might think this sounds ridiculous, but honestly, think about it. If you're blogging every week and you're saving 2.5 hours every week, that's like 10 to 12 hours a month. What could you do with an extra day in your month? Every month.
I just told you, the pub.
So it's still your knowledge, it's still your experience, but just the whole process of writing and editing is sped up. Which means you can spend more time doing what you're best at and making more money, or going to the pub.
So let us know in the comments if you think you're going to give this a go. We'd love, love, love to hear from you. I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
Please subscribe to Rev's channel for more marketing awesomeness, and we will see you very, very soon.
See ya!